Well, this thing hasn't moved, but we're gonna get it fixed. In the meantime, surprise build, guys. We've done this before. This car's been sitting here for about 1.5 years, but we have someone coming to pick this thing up. We're gonna build it. We're gonna get it on the track. You guys stay tuned. We got another driver, affiliate of FFR, coming soon. What's going on here? Hey, you stealing something back there?
Just borrowing.
Well, guys, we got, what are we gonna name her? Old Beauty? D?
What up?
What you think?
I'm excited.
You couldn't pass up on that beauty over there, could you?
No, I definitely can't do that.
Y'all, this is D Friar. Y'all, I've seen him, actually, if you go all the way back to what, Granite City?
Granite City.
Yeah, you were running a Saturn.
Saturn.
Yes. Blew a tire that race, right? Didn't
My
you?
dad
Yeah,
lost his tire.
Yeah,
I
your
got
dad
sick.
lost his tire, yep. So D is coming to pick up old Butte over there. We're gonna get it built. He's gonna run it. D, where do you primarily run?
Mainly Charleston, Illinois.
Charleston, it's a bigger track.
Yeah, and then a lot of Red Hill.
Red Hill, also
which is
big track, right?
Yeah, bigger than Charleston. It's in Sumner, Illinois.
Okay.
And then really just, that's our two mains, I guess.
And then you make your way down to Brownstown, where I've been making my way up to.
That's tough because it's on Fridays.
Okay.
Friday's tough for me to get to after work, but definitely we like Brownstown. It's a lot like, I think Brownstown and Charleston are very similar track.
Yeah.
Besides the banking, but maybe a little bit more banking at Charleston.
Which one do you prefer?
Charleston. Just
Charleston.
because I'm more comfortable. I've
Sure,
raced there.
sure.
We did a full season track champion that year.
So you've run Saturns.
Saturns.
You've also ran a Cavy.
Built a Cavy.
Loved the Cavy, right?
I do love the Cavy.
Cavy, you were quick in the Cavy.
Fast,
and what happened?
Well, we had a motor problem first. It burned a hole in the head, started leaking water into the motor. So we put a stock motor in it, and I made it one lap after hot laps, and somebody spun out in front of me, and I hit him just
nowhere to go, right?
Nowhere to go, and I hit him hard, and it pushed the whole front end down and over. So we got it close to straight, but it'll never be straight.
So he messaged me, he said, hey, you know anybody with a Cavy roller? And I said, no, but you could come to the dark side, right, dude?
That's exactly what you said.
Yeah, so, all right, we're gonna get this thing loaded up and we'll go from there.
We didn't have to do much work on the race car this week, but here's a time lapse of us doing some body work with it. Working on race cars. This is what we're doing. So while I was gone at work today, Dee got the power steering put on the car. We've got wheels put on the car, and it turns much better. So he's really excited about this weekend. So we'll keep everybody updated. Always got to give our kid a ride when we're putting it in the back in the garage. At Red Hill Raceway in Sumner, Illinois tonight. We'll do hot laps, heat races, and then the feature. We're hoping for a good car count since everywhere else rained out. So how do you feel about tonight?
Pretty good. Definitely had a good tire change. Hopefully we'll find out for sure in hot laps. But I got power steering, which will help a lot this time, and I'm pretty excited. I think it'll be a good time.
Yeah, so we will be back after hot laps and we'll see how it goes. We're back and we are on our way out for hot laps. So let's see if these new tires have done any good.
drivable car with power steering. Tire change is maybe a little too big, but I think it'll still be alright.
Alright, so next we have heat races and you start
Outside pole, heat 2.
outside pole heat 2. So we'll be back after that. Going out for heat races, D starts outside pole of heat 1 right next to 35 Lynn Lash. He's a really good driver, so we'll see how these tires really work during this heat race. D finished second. Haven't made it back to the trailer yet. I've been watching all the other races, so haven't got to talk to him, but he looks really good. I'm not sure where that's going to put him starting in the future because we do passing points, so started second, finished second. I'm not really sure how that works, but we'll keep you guys updated. You ready to go?
Ready.
All right, let's go.
Good luck, man.
Let's go. Let's do it. Elbows
luck.
up. Elbows up. We're off for the feature race. They're over in the chute, ready to go. D starts second row outside. So we will see how this goes. I'm super excited about it. So here we go. race, and how'd you do?
Third, I think. Yep,
Yes,
third.
How'd it feel? How'd the car feel? Track feel?
Actually, it was really good. I had a lot of good speed at the beginning, but the brakes started fading pretty bad. I had like basically none at the end, so couldn't slow the car down to turn enough. But we're still there, and the car was much better than it was last week, so that's what we're worried about.
So we'll work on brakes this week, and maybe a couple other little things.
A little bit of setup.
Yep, and we'll be back at it. I don't know.
Here.
Yep, we're gonna be at Red Hill again next week, so we'll catch y'all then.